Ready or not, the holiday shopping season is upon us. I always start my shopping with Julia.com. I'm also a rep with Julia.com. You've all seen some pieces from those collections. They specialize in sterling silver. They're a small artisan company, and they really do create a nice personalized piece. They're constantly creating. There's something for everyone. I remember one year on their Black Friday sale, I ordered, all of my friends got a necklace with their name engraved on it. And it was just the perfect gift for those ladies, and they still wear them to this day. I'm excited to announce that Julia has started their Black Friday Day sales early this year. So they are running now. We've got November 1st through December 6th. There's at least 400 pieces in that Black Friday collection that have already been marked down. You can enjoy up to 40% off if you buy more than one piece. If you decide on a single piece, be sure to use my special holiday rep code, which is TAZ20 for 20% off of any single piece. And all of these items have previously been marked down. So be sure to check it out. There is just absolutely something for everyone there. And I do want to show you a piece that I snagged up during this sale. It's called the Julia Classic Round Cut Sterling Silver Ring Set. It is a set, so I love these little nesting details. So this is their chocolate diamond proprietary stone in like over a 2-carat weight on that center stone there. And it's set in rose gold on the band. And then all of these beautiful chocolate diamond stones on the interior band here, and they do nest. And you can also separate. So if you wanted to wear one on one hand or finger and the other piece on the other, you could certainly do that. It's like getting 2 for 1, but it's just gorgeous. And this chocolate isn't too dark to look black, but it does have a little bit of a pink or mauve cast to it. Maybe it's just because of the shirt that I'm wearing. And this particular piece comes in 4 different styles. So we've got your chocolate diamond with the rose gold, and then there's some other silver bands, even one with a beautiful blue sapphire-like stone in it. So be sure to check these out. This is a part of that Black Friday collection deal, the biggest deal of the year. I know the last few rings that I purchased a size up so that I could wear them on the middle fingers or the index finger, and that way I can just be ringed up all over. I love my rings. Julia helped me fall in love with rings. They're affordable, they're personal, you can mix and match the colors. I'm gonna put up a little sample of what is included in that Black Friday collection. A collection of rings, earrings, you will see even some handbags in there. So be sure to shop Julia.com. All of the links are below as well. And again, they're running buy one, get one 40% off. If you're buying a single item, be sure to use my code TAZ20 for 20% off. They offer free shipping over $99. They have money back guarantees. They really stand behind their products. And these sterling silver pieces are so easy to care for. So let me talk about the hair that I'm wearing real quick. All of you wig fans out there, my friends, my community, we love to talk about our hair. I've fallen in love with this little style. This is Relax by Ellen Villa, and it was released for fall 2023. It's a short little pixie with just the absolute perfect profile and layering. Features a lace front, mono crown, open wefted sides and back, just a moderate amount of permatease. But the big deal here are these layers. It can be spiky, you can tame it down, you can wear it very fluffy and edgy. There's just so much you can do with this little pixie. And it comes in 2 sizes. I'm wearing the average size, which is more for petite average, but they also have a large. And I do have a full review out there if you're interested in checking out more detail on this style. Everybody have a great day and holiday season. We'll see you soon right back here at Taz's Wig Closet.